Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, October 8th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar index, and we're on the daily time frame to start with. So on the daily, I still think this is either a big W, X, Y, X, Z pattern, or possibly it's a flat pattern, as in this is one, two, three waves up, one, two, three waves down, and now we got one, two, three waves up again. Now, if it's a running flat, or a running WXYXZ, then it could definitely make a lower high compared to this and then go down. Or if it's an expanding flat, which I would kind of assume that it likely is, it probably will end up going up and taking out the previous high. If I look at it on the weekly time frame, it makes me think that it is going to go up and grab some liquidity on some of these highs, probably both of these highs. And looking at the analysis on the dollar pairs themselves makes me think that this is going to continue to drift up for at least several weeks or more. So keeping that in mind, going down to the 1 hour time frame, I would definitely look at anything I see to the downside as maybe nothing more than a pullback within an uptrend. Now we are starting to get a break to the downside today, and if it does hold below, the first thing I would do is on my Fibonacci retracement out here, and I would observe it to see if it makes like a three-way pullback and then continues up later on, or whether it turns into a very impulsive move like this. If it turns into a very impulsive move, then this definitely could be a running pattern on the daily time frame, and it could reverse. But based on the analysis on all the dollar pairs, I think that anything we see to the downside is likely just a pullback within an uptrend. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.